Hi, greetings everyone. In this video, I'll make you understand how to look for the various cost problems. While a project is underway, you need to keep an eye on the costs. Project has tables, filters, and reports that help you look at the project costs and find the tasks or reports or resources that cost more than planned. The first place to look is the cost table because it shows the cost variance. So go to the View tab here, click on the Tables drop down and select Cost. Here you can see the total cost in the scheduled costs for the tasks. Then there's a baseline and the cost variance. Here you can see the total cost in the scheduled costs for tasks. Then there's the baseline and the cost variance. If it's negative, it means that it's under budget. You can see the total cost here is less than the baselines. You can look at the tasks that are running over budget with the filters. In the filter drop-down list, choose More Filters and click on Cost Over Budget and say Apply. Here you see the tasks that are higher scheduled costs than the baseline. These are the ones with the positive cost variance. Another place to look is the tasks that have more work than planned. To see those, click on the drop down in the filter drop down box, choose More Filters and then apply the work over budget and say Apply. In this case, the same tasks appear, and that's because the work over budget means that there is more work than you planned. Those higher work hours also increase the costs. Then there are some reports you can use to look at the cost. Go to the Reports tab here, click the dashboard, and then choose the Cost Overview. In addition to seeing the scheduled cost in the remaining costs, the progress versus cost chart is right. The progress versus cost chart on the right is very helpful. Here you can see that the blue line is percent complete and the orange line is cumulative cost because the percent complete is above the cumulative cost. That means that the project is under budget. You have gotten more complete than you have spent. Another report is the cost overruns. Go to the Report tab, click the Costs, and then choose Cost Overruns. On the left, you can see the task cost variance. So the planning is under budget. On the right, you see the resource cost variance, and you can see it's the office manager who has the largest negative cost variance. That means under budget. Go to the Reports tab and click on Costs. Now choose Earned Values Report. In this chart, the blue line is actual costs you incurred for the work that's performed. The orange line is budgeted costs for the work performed. That's the baseline cost for the work performed. In this case, the actual cost is less than the baseline. So it's another way of saying that this is under budget. Check your project frequently for the costs that are different from the baseline to see whether tasks are over or under budget. By finding the cost problems early, you can take actions to decrease the cost for the rest of the project. I hope the video was informative to you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.